In this video we'll take the social balance sheet. So we already know that the balance sheet holds the two main categories, that is liabilities and assets, and your liabilities should match the total of your assets. So that we will see the model. So the first case is the liabilities I have took here. So the liability contains the three items, that is organization equity, social equity and contribution by the staff. Okay, these will be having the previous year amount and the current year amount, and if we add these three amount, so here I will get the total. So that is the total liabilities amount. Okay, now I have the assets. The assets are two categories here. The first one is social capital asset or investment, and the second one is human assets. Okay, in the social capital assets or investment, again further I divide into the two. The one is building. So the building is taken as the residential part. So if you have provided the quarters to the your employees, that is taken here. If you run any hospital, so if you run any school, and the welfare facilities like canteen, okay, like any other the first aid rooms, okay, maybe the auditorium, so these will be taken the consideration in case of the building, and the same amount will be recorded here. Okay, now in the second one, that is equipment. So in case of equipment also we have the same items. So any of the equipment or the property you hold in the residential area, means within the home. So if you are providing the furniture or the gas or the any kinds of the vehicle, so those will be taken here. So in case of the hospital also we have some medical equipments, right? Okay, operation ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. So next one is in schools also we have the kindergarten playhouses. Okay, we have the benches, we have the desks, we have the other items over here. And in the welfare facilities also we have the canteen facility. So there also we have some kinds of the furniture over there. Those will be taken as the amount and those will be recorded. And in the third case, the electricity, water and gas supply. Okay, these also will be taken consideration in case of the social capital asset. So apart from this, again we evaluated the human asset. Okay, so those will be made the total, and that is going to be taken in case of the asset. So do remember that. So in case of social balance sheet also, so your total liability should match with the total amount of the assets. So this is about the social balance sheet. So hope you understood the model of this one, and in the next video we'll come up with the calculation parts.